Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list your hotel on booking.com. So first, you may want to head over to booking.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, at the top corner of your screen, click on list your property. Then proceed by clicking on get started now. You will then be prompted to create your partner account. Just enter in your email address, then proceed. And also, you will be asked about your contact details, so just fill in all the necessary details and also create a password. So once you're logged into your account, you will be asked what property you will list. So just choose hotel, B&Bs, and more. Then click on list your property button. Then next, once again, choose hotel. You will then be asked how many hotels are you listing. So just choose from the two options, then proceed by clicking on the continue button. Next, you will be asked where is your property located. So just add in all the location information, add in more details about your hotel, add images, as the information that you will provide will be helpful for your potential guests. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!